Hello everybody, it's Real Roses. It's been a while since you've seen my face here on the YouTube, but I'm back with another unboxing video. It was like a year and a half ago last time, but Halloween is coming up in like a bit more than a month. So I ordered a costume cosplay. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. Also, I just want to flex my outfit today. Look at my shirt. Also, my socks match. I don't know if you see it. I have to do like aerobics, but my socks match. They're also stripy, and I bought cargo pants. Ooh, I really love these. This shirt is giving me like Feel Good Inc. noodle music video vibes, so I actually really like the shirt. But anyway, enough about my outfit. We have a package to unbox, and this is, if you didn't read by the title, MAKI HARUKAWA Cosplay from Danganronpa. So we're gonna see. What I'm most worried about with this is the sizing. So I'm really hoping that this fits. I'm gonna get a scissors because I suck at opening things. This always happens, so I've learned to now always have a scissor with me. Oh wow, I already see it. I can see like a gap of it. Also, I know there's a lot of background noise in the video. That's because I'm filming from my computer and not my phone, because my phone has no storage. So here we go. There's the costume. There's a lot of stuff inside. I only bought the costume and not the wig because I'm brunette, so I don't really feel like I need it. Also, I had a haircut. It's been a while since you've seen me here on the YouTube. If you follow me on any other social media, you probably already know. But yeah, okay. So we have a little like pin. I don't know what this is. Just like a diamond. There's a lot of stuff in here. Okay, let's take it one by one. Another pin that's like a white rose. I'll have to like attach everything. Yet another pin that's like a bow. I know where this goes. Two scrunchies. They're very small actually. But two red scrunchies. And we also have socks. Red socks. Long stockings rather, I'd say. And then the skirt. Oh my god, this looks very small. I think this might be too small. I'll be very sad if that's the case. Oh my god, okay. Ooh, this looks very small. I'm a bit unsure on how this will fit me, but let's try it on and see. Alright, we got the costume on. So first we have the scrunchies. These are very nice, very cute. Yeah, I put my hair up like the character. And then also the costume reveal. So we got this thing here. Sorry, it's reversing the camera. The thing is, this thing is supposed to like sit on here, so it fell off. I think, but it's okay. I can just glue it on. This costume was like pretty cheap, so I mean it does the work. I don't like. It's good quality for the price. Yeah, I do like it. I think I just placed this wrongly, but like, yeah, it's very nice. It's very tight though. I think I should have gotten a bigger size, so that's on my fault. I don't know, but I thought I checked the sizing and I thought it was accurate, but with costumes, like, you never know, and it's from like different countries and different sizings. Also, the skirt is incredibly short, so I saved it by adding a petticoat. So yeah, I have a petticoat, otherwise literally like this is not covering anything. And then the socks, they feel a bit tight, but they are comfortable in it. They're a bit like silky, I would say. So this is the costume. I'll try the back like as much as I can. Hold on. Yeah, so it's pretty good, I would say. Yeah. Do you want to die? Sorry, I had to. Okay. So yeah, this is MAKI HARUKAWA Danganronpa cosplay without the wig. It's an okay quality. Wish I got a bigger size. So that is my review. But it is fine. I think just like it sits fine, but it's a bit tight to like get on. Like it doesn't sit very tightly. Like I can still move in the shirt, but when I get like I have like a big head, so it's like hard to squeeze through. And yeah, this a shame it fell off, but I can just glue it back on or just go like this. I mean, you get the point. You get this is the character, right? So that is it for this costume unboxing. I will upload more vocal covers soon. Stay tuned. And yeah, that's it for the video. See you. Bye.